I have now glued together the inside middle of the piece, it's cube, and you can take it apart a bit so you can see for yourself. Yeah, the core is pretty much good, and oh, that's why. Okay, I have tried exchanging all the wheels with where did I put the wheels? All of these wheels. So I thought that perhaps it would not be as loose because the gears are a little bit wider in diameter than the wheels. Apparently it is a bit less loose, but not as much as I would hope for. And now I can assemble it. Oh yeah, red black, like that. And well, as you can see, I'm assembling it like this because it's not perfectly Rubik's cube like, for obvious reasons. And this one, and okay. Although it is a lot easier to move around, it's still kind of loose. I will try and show. Like that's one side, and that was one side too. Boom, boom. That one is, let's see, this one. Well, it is a bit loose, but it's still a lot easier to move around than the other one. I don't understand what it is that's keeping it in place some places. I would suppose that perhaps it's some of the pieces inside it. Perhaps it's as you can see here, I hope you can see here, this piece is right here, and then there is this hole here, and it's in every corner, two of them, and that's what I suppose is causing the issues. But there's no real solution to that. So we'll just have to do with what we have. And like this. I'm having, and then the side, which apparently is a little stiffer. That was me. It's not as good as I would hope for, but it sure is a lot better than the unglued version. Yeah, there's not really anything to it other than it's loose. And it's easier just moving the bottom instead of the top. So I could do this, and then you could assemble it again. Oops. This side. And the last side of the 6, almost. mouse is running a little. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Oh, that's why. It's because the Lego beams, the 3x3, the thick Lego beams, they have holes in it, and apparently it tends to go into those holes and block it, which I don't approve of. And that's why Lego is not suited for this. Probably a brick-like version would be even better. Someone made a brick-like version on YouTube. I've seen that one. That's why I got the inspiration for this. But I figured that making it in Technic would be a lot better. But apparently it's not that much great. It's not falling apart that easily, and the parts are all easy to take apart. I'm a little sad that I have to throw away most of these parts of the core here, because obviously it's glued, and I can't keep this one forever. So this, all of this, let me see here. These parts, there are 6 of these in each color. I can keep them, but this I can't. These parts I can't keep. And then there are all these parts here that's holding together the core. I'm going out of camera angle, I see now. Away with you! And then we have another piece. And another piece. This one almost goes away too. And then we have these parts. And let me see if I can get it in. So obviously I'll have to throw away some parts. That's not a big concern either, it's just a few parts. But I don't know how much the camera is taking. But 6 of these, actually 7 of these in black, and then the rest in different colors, and a few regular parts, just that everyone has a million of. Well, I have a million of them, so it's not a big deal. But this is what consists of. All the other parts I can keep. Oh, that one was not going. Why am I doing this anyway? Yep, that was 6 parts. Oh. So this I have to throw away. That's basically it. So it's not a big loss. Well, it's not a loss at all. Except I only have 2 other of these green ones, but I never use them, so who cares? Well, yeah, that's it.